you all. This is Manish. I'm a student of Modern, and today, as we are celebrating Youth Day, which is a birthday of Swami Vivekananda, so I'm going to share some thoughts about Swami Vivekananda and Youth Day. So, as we all know that Swami Vivekananda is a great personality, a great monk, and is the supreme person. Like, okay, so as you all know that, so we are influenced by him. Not only us, not only India, but there are so many people in the world which are influenced by the Swami Vivekananda.
Who are influenced?
Like if I talk about some famous personality like Rabindranath Tagore and even Mahatma Gandhi and even Nikola Tesla was very good influence by him. Okay, so as you all know that he was a person who believes in a humanity. He was a person who likes to share the message of his his teacher, which was Ramakrishnan. Okay, so as we all know that he given a speech in Chicago. In there he taught us about humanity. He talked about India and he talked about Hinduism, which was it was that much intense that people around the world got so much attracted by him, so much influenced by his speech, so much influenced by India, so that in every newspaper he was the headline at that time. Okay, so that was the time when world got to know about what we are, what India really is, what is Hinduism, what thing we have, that real India, what really is. World had the chance to know that, and world knows about us by the Swami Vivekananda. Okay, after that he has given so many speeches about humanity and nature, human nature, what we should be, what should we like, what we live, what is the real living of the mankind. He talked about in many conference, many occasions. Okay, so that's what if I say that he was the personality which is a icon, which is icon of the youth.
Who was
Okay.
icon of
Who was icon of the youth. Okay, so because that's the reason we celebrate this day, 12th of January, as a youth day, National Youth Day. He has given so many thoughts. He has teaches so many thoughts to us, as he said that rise, awake, and go for your goal until it's reached. Okay, it's not stop until you reach your goals. Okay, so which is means that if we are give 100% to our goals, if we properly focus on our goal, that we can be successful in our life. His teaching is like a great motivation to all of us. Okay, if we follow him, if we follow what he teaches us, anyone can become successful in life. Like the other thing he says that strength is life and weakness is death. Weakness is death. Okay, we should try to sharpen our strength. Okay, we should try to sharpen our strength, and we should be always focused on to reduce our weakness, eliminate our weakness, and focus on our strength. If we do that, then definitely we will become a great personality. We will do better things. We will become successful, and so many things he taught that he talked about if we think strong, if we think we are strong, the strong we will be. If we think that we are strong, we are not less than anyone. There is no one above us and no one below us. We all are same. As he teaches, as he talked in his speech, in the world, in all around the world, we are all one. We are all united. No matter which country we belong to, and from which religion we belong, or from which caste we belong, we all are the same. We all breathe same air. We all have same color of blood. Okay, that's what he wants to spread to the world, and that's what we in India. India is a very diversified country. We all know that. We should be grateful that we are living in this country. Okay, which is very diversified and very beautiful country. And you all must know that India has the largest youth force. All over the world, India is the country where you can find most of the youth. China is a majority in if I talk about their population, but there are lesser youth than us. We have the largest youth force, and youth are future. We all know that we are the future of country. We should follow the teachings of Swami Vivekananda, and if we follow him, and if we do the right things, then definitely we will become successful, and we will make India proud. That's all from my side. Thank you for listening.